Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First things first, don't forget to click on that subscribe button before we move on. Now first, before we get into the hair video, I just wanted to share you guys this beautiful amazing piece of jewelry that I got from Squall. Squall is an online jewelry store that have sent me this beautiful cute little pendant. I really like it so much. They have promotions going on right now, so I got this matching set. It's a necklace with the ring. Oh, look at that, so cute, and the earring. So I just wanted to share with you guys before we move on to the hair video. I like it. Now today's video have been sponsored by Nadula Hair, and they have sent me this highlighted wig. It is a pre-colored wig already, so you don't have to do any coloring or anything, and this is a fake scalp. So the fake scalp is also really nice. We have used it before and we all know that it looks like real scalp. I really like the fake scalp, and I also love the fact that this is a closure, because nowadays, I don't know, I'm just feeling so lazy for a frontal. Okay, we are back in with the closures, so I'm fitting in this wig to see how well it fits. I have adjusted the elastic band at the back of the wig, so make sure you guys do that as well. So I'm gonna obviously brush through to detangle the hair, and I am already appreciating the color. Absolutely love this color on me. I feel like it's just so stunning on chocolate brown girls as well. So first, I'm just gonna go ahead to press on with my hot comb just to see how it's looking before I go in to style it. Then I'm going to use my Hair and Ella wax stick to just press onto the closure to make that parting super flat. So I'm going to use the hot comb after I use the wax stick, and this just basically helped with any little wispy hairs that I have from the closure. I'm just gonna flat iron this hair, so I'm just using my GHD flat iron, which is amazing. I've been using this for years, you guys, and I really love it. I'm just pressing it onto the hair. At this point, I'm thinking about, okay, what should I do? I just want to style this hair, but I also want to make sure that it's quite simple for you guys, because I know most of my subscribers are not super good with hair, so I always like to keep it simple with you guys and make sure that it's detailed so you guys can go ahead and learn. And this is just with me flat ironing one side of the wig. I always like to do this with you guys, the half and half, just so you guys can see the difference between styling and not styling, because sometimes some of y'all are just too lazy to be styling, but it is very important that you style your hair, especially if you want it that presentable. Next, we are going to be cutting the lace, so you don't need to be perfect to do this step. It's just basically a pair of scissors and just cut it as it is, okay? You don't need to be perfect. And this is it. This is basically just by me styling it as normal, nothing too extra. If you're not good, this is just one way you can rock it, and this is absolutely stunning, you guys. I mean, just look at that color. The color is so amazing on me, and when I snapped with this hair, everybody was like madly in love with it. So you guys know I always have to be extra. I wanted to add some baby hairs, so I'm thinking, okay, I know it's a closure, but I'm gonna add one on my forehead, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add two around my temples. So I went ahead and did this by just adding a hair wax or a gel. You can add any gel or any edge control tamer to just achieve this look. I wanted to also flick the hair a little bit backwards so that the baby hairs could show. So I combed it backwards, and then I used my hot comb to just press on it so it's going backwards. This way I can get that flick in front and the baby hairs would be able to show. So I'm just hot combing it backwards. and this is what I got. I absolutely love this as well. Like, this was so different from what we just actually had on. I love the versatility of this hair, like the fact that I could just do this and it just became like a whole new wig. I mean, look at that. Those extreme baby hairs really did do it for me though. How you guys like this? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you love it, so that you guys can motivate me to keep bringing these videos for you guys with loads of tips and hair care. So I also tried to do this ponytail by leaving the two sides, you know, just to see how it would look, and I think this was such a cute style as well. Okay, at this point I'm thinking, you know what, I want something different. Should I cut this into a bob? I was so scared, so I took my clippers. It's the first time I'm doing this, trust me, but I think I did pretty well. So I tried to trim it whilst I had the wig on, just to see where I wanted it to stop. So at this point I knew that this is where I wanted the bob to basically like stop. I didn't want to go any shorter, but I also didn't want like a long bob, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side just to make sure that it is on the same level. So as you can see, I'm using my hand to like level it up to make sure that I am cutting it so that it is lining at the same level. I'm kinda new with apologies. I think these clippers were like amazing to use, especially if you're a beginner and you just want to do something different with your hair. So these clippers were super easy for me. So I'm just basically clipping the wig onto my mannequin head. I feel like the mannequin head was so easy for me to cut this bob, because if I had it on me, I don't think I would have achieved the bob. Like, I wouldn't have been able to do this. So at this point I'm just thinking, I need to see what I'm doing. Okay, so I just took the clippers and then I'm following basically the guidelines that I created whilst I had the wig on. At this point I'm just basically cutting through for a bob. I'm gonna tell you guys the truth, I was dead scared. Look at Sahna, you guys, she can't just leave me alone. She wouldn't just let me film in peace, honestly. At this point I was so scared, guys. I was like, oh my god, what if I mess this up? What if this turns out to be so bad? But this has been the best thing I've ever done for my hairs. Honestly, like, I felt so much in love with this bob. It's just crazy. I mean, look at that. Like, oh my god, it's the way that it is so, like, it's not stiff. Where is the stiffness? There's none, honey. There's no stiffness in this wig. Like, Nadula, you guys really did this. You guys really aced this wig. Like, the quality of the hair is just on another level. Like, it's amazing. I mean, look, come on, oh yeah, see for yourself now. Just look, it was just too good, man. This wig was so beautiful. So I went back in with my flat iron because I needed to keep obviously the cut like flat. I needed to put some heat to it, and this way it could actually even flow so much better. So I'm putting the wig back on and I'm gonna go ahead and fix the baby hairs. I'm just adjusting the wig and making sure that it's sitting perfectly on my head. Then I'm gonna obviously comb through to detangle it and see how it looks. But combing it through also helped me see that I missed a little bit of spots. So I went in with my clippers and just basically cut whatever I missed whilst it was on the mannequin head. Look at this cut, you guys. Oh my god, I can't believe I did this. Just look at this. Like, look at this cut. I am absolutely crazy in love with this piece from Nadula Hair. Like, I felt so much in love with this wig, and a lot of you guys that have already seen it have also fallen so much in love with it. I'm just feeling myself. So this is everything that I achieved. Thank you so much, Nadula Hair, for sending me this beautiful piece. I loved it so much. I mean, just look at the back. The cut was perfect. The hair color was perfect. I love the fact that it is a closure, which made it so much easier for me to style. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also leave your comments down below. Tell me which style that you preferred, what you liked the most about this hair, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye now.